Parsley Face Mask for Dark Spots. Parsley is not for the kitchen only, it actually has lots of benefits for our skin too, including blemishes fading, and skin lightening. Parsley Face Mask Recipe. Take a handful of fresh parsley, and wash it thoroughly, then put it in a mortar to make a paste. Transfer the paste into a bowl, and add 1 teaspoon each of raw honey, and lemon juice, and mix up. How to use it. Since the application procedure can become messy, do it over a sink, or in the shower. Apply onto your clean and dry face in a thick layer, avoiding the area around your eyes and mouth. Rinse off after 15 minutes with cool water, and apply rose water as a toner, and moisturize with a pea-sized amount of shea butter. You can use this face mask for blemishes and dark spots 2 times a week. The benefits of parsley for skin. Parsley contains lots of vitamin K, which helps regulate blood clotting and fading dark circles under eyes. Parsley also contains myristicin, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from radical damage, and along with it, it delays premature skin aging. It also contains luteolin and other flavonoids, beta-carotene, and is a good source of folic acid. Among other benefits of parsley for skin there are acne clearing, reducing of skin redness and inflammation, helping with skin discolorations and hyperpigmentation, fading away blemishes and dark spots, reducing the appearance of spider veins,